The following are the terms and their definitions based on the revised National Plumbing Code of the Philippines.
Welcome to Urban O.
Let's begin.
Caulking. Plugging an opening with oakum, lead, or other materials that are pounded into the annular space. Also, the material pounded into the annular opening. Cap. A fitting, screwed, or caulked over the end of a pipe for closing the pipe end. Catch basin. A receptacle in which liquids are retained for sufficient period of time to allow settleable materials to deposit. Certified backflow assembly tester. A person who has shown competence to test and maintain backflow assemblies to the satisfaction of the administrative authority having jurisdiction. Cesspool. A non-watertight lined excavation in the ground which receives the discharge of a sanitary drainage system or part thereof, designed to retain the organic matter and solids discharging therefrom, but permitting the liquid to seep through the bottom and sides of the cesspool. Chase. A vertical shaft for installation of different pipe stacks. Check valve. A valve that automatically closes to prevent the flow of liquid or gas in a reverse direction. Circuit vent. A group vent pipe which starts in the front of the extreme fixture connection on a horizontal branch and connects to the vent stack, also known as loop vent. Clarifier is a device designed and installed to separate and retain deleterious, hazardous, or undesirable matters from normal wastes and permits normal sewage or liquid wastes to discharge into the disposal terminal by gravity, also known as interceptor. Code. The word code or this code, when used alone, shall mean the regulations, subsequent amendments thereto, or any emergency rule or regulation which the administrative authority having jurisdiction may lawfully adopt. Common vent. An arrangement for venting so installed that one vent pipe will serve two traps, also known as unit vent or dual vent. Combination waste and vent system. A specially designed system of waste piping embodying the horizontal wet venting of one or more sinks or floor drains by means of a common horizontal waste and vent pipe adequately sized to provide free movement of air above the flow line of the drain. Combustible construction. A structure which any part of its structural framework will ignite and burn at a temperature of 756 degrees centigrade or less. Commission. The Professional Regulation Commission. Common. That part of a plumbing system designed and installed to serve more than one appliance, fixture, building, or system. Confined space. A room or space having a volume less than 14 cubic meter with 250 kilogram calorie of aggregate input rating of all fuel burning appliances installed in that space. Contamination. an impairment of the quality of the potable water, which creates an actual hazard to the public health through poisoning or spread of disease by sewage, industrial fluids, or waste, also defined as high hazard. Continuous vent. A vertical vent that is a continuation of the drain to which the vent connects. Continuous waste. A drain connecting the compartments of a set of fixtures to a trap or connecting other permitted fixtures to a common trap. Conductor or downspout. A vertical pipe to convey rainwater. Corporation cock. A stop valve placed at the connection of the water service pipe to the water main. Court. An open, unoccupied space bounded on 2 or more sides by the walls of the building. An inner court is a court entirely within the exterior walls of the building. All other courts are outer courts. Critical level. A marking on a backflow prevention device or vacuum breaker is a point conforming to approved standards established by the testing laboratory, which determines the minimum elevation above the flood level rim of the fixture or receptacle served where the device may be installed. When a backflow prevention device does not bear a critical level marking, the bottom of the vacuum breaker, combination valve, or the bottom of any such approved device shall constitute the critical level. Cross connection. Any connection or arrangement, physical or otherwise, between a potable water supply system and any plumbing fixture or any tank receptacle, equipment, or device, through which enables non-potable, used, unclean, polluted, contaminated water or other substances to enter into any part of such potable water system under any condition. That's all for now. Watch the next set of terms on the next video. And don't forget to comment the topic you want to learn next.
Urban O. 'Cause oh, you will never leave our channel empty-handed, or should I say empty-headed. Subscribe.